Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Cake Recipe book is probably one of the most delightful resources for anyone with a sweet tooth. From classic vanilla sponges to exotic flavor combinations, this book promises to guide both beginner bakers and seasoned pastry chefs. It's a journey through the world of cakes, offering a chance to create delicious treats and impress friends and family with your baking skills. Number 5. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This book is packed with over 100 recipes, both sweet and savory, perfect for young chefs like you. It's all about having fun in the kitchen and creating delicious treats. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes to choose from. Whether you're craving cookies, cakes, or something more savory, this book has got you covered. Get ready to explore a world of flavors. This book isn't just about baking, it's about sharing the joy of your creations. Bake something amazing, share it with your friends and family, and then enjoy every delicious bite. It's a recipe for fun. The recipes are designed with young bakers in mind, with clear and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll learn new skills and gain confidence in the kitchen. Get ready to impress everyone with your baking talents. So, grab your apron and get ready to create some culinary magic. This book is your guide to becoming a baking pro. Let the baking adventure begin. What we like. This book is perfect for young bakers. It offers a wide variety of recipes that are easy to understand and fun to make. If you are looking for a way to get your kids involved in the kitchen and spark their love for baking, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Pretty pictures, easy instructions for young teens, or older, to cook up delicious food. Each recipe is simple and easy to follow and is laying a foundation of good, solid basics. It comes with really easy to more complicated recipes. It's for little ones to big ones. It is easy to understand with the chef hats reference. Number 4. Cake Decorating for Beginners, Step-by-Step Guide. Are you ready to learn the art of cake decorating? This guide is designed for beginners. It will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to prepare your cake. This involves leveling the layers and applying a crumb coat. This ensures a smooth surface for decorating. Next, learn how to frost your cake. We'll cover different frosting techniques, from basic to more advanced. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Now, let's get creative with piping bags. Learn how to create beautiful designs with different tips. It's a fun way to personalize your cake. Finally, add the finishing touches. This includes adding sprinkles, edible flowers, or other decorations. It's what makes the cake unique. With this guide, you'll be decorating cakes like a pro in no time. So grab your supplies and let the fun begin. You'll love the results. What we like. This guide is designed for beginners. It breaks down complex decorating techniques into simple, manageable steps. If you want to learn how to create stunning cake designs without any prior experience, this is the perfect resource for you. What people say. This book has 154 pages and details everything from adding food coloring to frostings, frosting and cutting shapes out of cakes, to piping and designing. It also provides recipes for frostings, etc., how much fondant to use for each size pan, how to apply it. Easy to understand and tells everything you need to know, has recipes for frostings and cakes. Fully illustrated with excellent photographs. Number 3. The Baking Cookbook for Teens, 75 Recipes. Are you a teen who loves to bake? This cookbook is perfect for you. It features 75 delicious recipes for both sweet and savory treats. Inside, you'll find a wide variety of recipes. From cookies and cakes to breads and pizzas, it has something for every baker. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this book offers easy-to-follow instructions. It will guide you through every step. The recipes are designed with teens in mind. It uses simple language and clear steps, making baking fun and accessible. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your baking skills. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to baking success. What we like. This cookbook caters specifically to teens. It features recipes that are both delicious and appealing to a younger audience. If you are a teenager looking to impress your friends or simply enjoy baking, this book is a must-have. What people say. Recipes are easy to follow and nicely explained. It is full of lots of useful information about health and safety, equipment, conversion tables, and the basics of cooking and baking as well as the recipes. It is well written, clear instructions and descriptions suitable for older children. Number 2. Martha Stewart Cake Perfection, Baking Book. Today, we're diving into the world of cake with Martha Stewart. This book is your ultimate guide to creating sweet classics. Inside, you'll discover over 100 recipes. It covers everything from simple treats to stunning showstoppers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this book has something for everyone. It provides clear instructions. Learn the secrets to perfect cakes every time. It will help you master the art of baking. Get ready to create delicious and beautiful cakes. This book is your key to cake perfection. What we like. This book offers a comprehensive collection of cake recipes. It covers everything from simple everyday cakes to elaborate showstoppers. If you are looking for a book that can take your baking skills to the next level, this is the one. What people say. The recipes are creative and pretty and instructions are clear and easy to follow. The photos are beautiful and inspire you to want to bake. The variety of recipes is impressive and unique. Recipes are super delicious and very easy to make. Very helpful if you're a beginner like me. Cones with detailed instructions, particularly helpful if you're still learning. Number 1. I'll Bring the Cake, Recipes for Every Season. This cookbook is your guide to baking success. It offers a wide variety of recipes for all seasons and occasions. Discover delicious cakes perfect for spring, summer, autumn, and winter. It provides the perfect treat for any time of year. Find the ideal cake for birthdays, holidays, and celebrations. It ensures you'll always have the perfect dessert. The recipes are designed to be easy to follow, even for beginner bakers. It makes baking fun and accessible for everyone. Learn tips and tricks for creating stunning cakes. It will impress your friends and family with your baking skills. What we like. This book provides recipes for every season and every occasion. It offers a wide range of ideas for creating cakes that are perfect for any event. If you like to bake cakes for celebrations throughout the year, you should consider it. What people say. The recipes in this book are absolutely divine. It covers a wide range of cake types, including layer cakes, bundt cakes, cupcakes, and more. The photography is beautiful, the recipes are amazing, and I, though had somewhat low expectations, I was blown away. Wow! Wonderful job, Mandy. These are delicious recipes I will continue to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.